Everybody wants a few more ponies out of their Harley, but sometimes the cost and the amount of work it takes just to get the job done, it just isn't worth the squeeze. So here are 5 options that we have for you that might add a few more horsepower to your ride without all the extra work. Your air intake is a good place to start, and the Arlen Ness Big Sucker Air Cleaner Kit is a perfect solution. You can achieve up to 21% horsepower gain by dramatically improving airflow to the engine, and it's a simple bolt-on replacement for the restrictive stock filter assembly. You can't go wrong with Arlen Ness. You know, there's an age-old argument as if exhaust, especially slip-ons, add any real horsepower. Well, there's plenty out there who think they do, and when it comes to an exhaust, adding a slip-on can be really easy, and I really like Rinehart Racing's slip-on mufflers. It really frees up exhaust flow for better horsepower and torque while delivering a signature deep rumble. Easy swap with basic hand tools. One thing that sounds a little intimidating, but kinda isn't once you get into it, is installing a fuel tuner like this one from Dynojet, the Commander 5. It is a user-friendly fuel injection module that allows precise tuning of your bike's air-fuel ratio, optimizing performance and increasing horsepower. It connects to your Harley's ECU without extensive modifications. Careful though, if your bike is still under warranty, you're going to want to double check to ensure that this doesn't void it. Spark plug wires, something that most never really consider as an upgradable item that's going to add horsepower to your ride, but trust me, it can. And the Screamin' Eagle Performance spark plug wires we have here will deliver a stronger, more consistent spark for better combustion efficiency, resulting in a small but measurable horsepower bump. Super easy to install in under 10 minutes. Okay, so this one is going to sound the most daunting, and that is a cams upgrade. But fear not, this one can be easy with the right product and if you've got just a little bit more time. So we recommend checking out the Feuling HP Cam Kit. A performance cam upgrade in an all-in-one package that boosts horsepower and torque across the RPM range, designed for easy installation with clear instructions and no complex tuning required. That's our list of 5 upgrades you can make to your Harley that's gonna give you a little bit more horsepower without spending days in the garage or breaking too many knuckles. What do you think? Anything here that you would add to your bike or anything that you would recommend? Let us know.